My name is Eduardo Rios Pulgar. I'm a music journalist based in Brooklyn, and I'm about to take you by the hand across my home's musical underworld.
We're about to go to H0l0, and there's a lot of like industrial, like techno that I've heard there. To kind of like the deeper end, Wilson Avenue, which is where the unsure parties were happening for a time. That's like warehouse. Like those parties are insane.
I mean, we come out of the womb like dancing, so it's like, you know, it doesn't even matter who's on stage. I like to support local artists because like there's too much support for, you know, top 20 artists. The local artists need to be heard, you know, being a fellow local artist and all the, you know, pain and heartache and tears you put in your art, you know,
For sure.
Other people could feel it.
You know what I'm talking about? Like, you can read about the history of New York and underground spaces and like how CBGB started or something, and it feels like this ancient history compared to what happens now. You know, if someone is just starting their project, they're young, they're a group of artists, whatever, they need to find a place where they can feel supported and grow what they're doing, like physically, and not just online.
I own and operate the clothing and lifestyle brand Whatever 21. It's a brand that's primarily focused on clothing design, streetwear, but I use it as a platform for other avenues as well. I've been throwing parties for like 8 years now. 2013, 2014, that was kind of a bit of a golden age, and it's felt like it's been in a bit of a decline over the past few years. Like all the DIY venues are all being shut down. There's no longevity. Every party flyer is just like a reordering of like the same names. But I feel like just in the last 6 months even, like resurgence in the New York City underground. I think like certain venues like H0l0, these are parties that are finding like new exciting artists, pushing boundaries and going out to these events. I feel like there's a community. So I want to give exposure to talented, like deserving artists.
Absolutely.
That don't have a platform for their voice. And I'm like, hey, like we're doing this thing, like would you like to be a part of it?
Do you feel like this energy can continue?
Yeah, I think it can continue, and I think it can continue into, you know, into good things outside of even just nightlife, music.
H0l0 parties aren't quite raves, they're like grungy. This is where you meet the emo kids who know how to party.